Hey, what's up? It's got a little rainy here in Chicago. But hey, since when weather conditions stopped us from playing sports? There's Santiago Munez living inside every football player struggling on a rainy night in Newcastle. Nevertheless, it was a 7 versus 7 game where I played an attacking player. The rain would stop from time to time, but by the end of the game, it would rain heavily. You can see a puddle of water in the middle of the field where the ball sometimes would get stuck. The field is a first generation artificial turf grass, or best known as carpet. Not the best field I've ever played on, or I'm just being a bad workman blaming his tools.
Try to nutmeg me.
Yeah, follow me, follow me. Oh my god, yeah!
Yes, yes.
Hey, hey, hey!
Ah. Good.
That's not what I wanted, man. I wanted it fast. We're fucking up. Oh shit! Great touch! What a touch!
First.
Oh, I almost got it. Yes, yes, oh, yes!
Ah.
Yes, yes, oh, yes!
Ah. First. One press. Ah.
Nice, solid!
Ah.
Back, play back!
Hey.
Good job, Bono. Out, pass, hey, shoot! Give me my left hand. Nice! Whoa!
What a pass. Let it go.
Yes! Good job! Way to get back! Hey! Oh!
No, he's tall. Help him, help him. Ah.
Great hit, great. Good job. Woo! Shit.
Coming at you.
I got 4 poles. No? Yes, yes.
Finally, good job. Good job. Good job. Alright guys, thanks again. See you next time.